Greetings, listeners. Good to have you out there determined to develop your proficiency in this language, English. Very good. Our topic for today is sound comparison. We're going to study phonetics. We are going to compare these two sounds, th and the. Please look up at the shape of my mouth. Th, th. And the other one is the. These are two of the confusable sounds we have in English language. Most English learners tend to find it a little bit difficult to pronounce these sounds correctly. Well, I hope the following effort is going to help you learn more there is to be learned about them. Let's get started, listeners. Let us start with the sound. Here are the example words. Mother, mother. You should not say mother or maza or moza. It's mother, mother. The next word is father, father, father. That is F-A-T-H-E-R, father. The next word, listeners, is furthermore. It is spelled F-U-R-T-H-E-R-M-O-R-E, furthermore. The next, listeners, is weather, weather. We spell this word as follows. W-H-E-T-H-E-R, weather. And the other word is W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. Okay? Weather, weather. And the next, listeners, is leather, 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 leather. L-E-A-T-H-E-R, leather, leather. The next one, listeners, is feather, feather, F-E-A-T-H-E-R, feather, feather. The next, listeners, is aɪðə, aɪðə, E-I-T-H-E-R, aɪðə. For the record, Americans do not say either, they say either, either. The next word is naɪðə, neither, and it is spelled N-E-I-T-H-E-R, neither. And this one too, Americans don't say neither, they say neither. Listeners, the next is rāḍə, rāḍə, R-A-T-H-E-R, rāḍə. The next word is smuôt, smuôt, S-M-O-O-T-H, smuôt. The next, listeners, is beɪð, beɪð, B-A-T-H-E, beɪð. And for the record, listeners, the word beɪð is the verb form of the noun form, bath, B-A-T-H, bath. But the moment you add an E, then you say beɪð, beɪð, okay? And the last word for today, listeners, is breathe, breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. And this word is the verb form for the noun breath, breath. Well, listeners, that's about the sound. Remember, as you can see, the sound, the shape of my mouth, you have to bite the edge of your tongue and push the air out. You see, that's it. Now let's move on to the last sound for today, which is th sound, th sound. And the first example is thanks, T-H-A-N-K-S, thanks. Imagine somebody has done something good to you and you want to show appreciation. And instead of saying thank you, you say thank you or thank you. No. Please, you shouldn't say it that way. Because most of the times in English, if you do not say the right word in the right way, you end up saying something that also exists in the language. We have sank, S-A-N-K, which is the past form of the irregular verb sink, S-I-N-K. And the other one, tank, T-A-N-K. I think tank is a noun, not a verb, okay? So please, if you want to show appreciation to somebody who has done something good to you, you should not say thank you or thank you. You have to bite the edge of your tongue and say thank you, thank you. Good. That is, and if you don't want to say it formally, then you can use the informal term and say thanks, thanks, okay? The next example with the sound is thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. This is the past form and past participle form of the irregular verb think. Okay, think, and the past form is thought. Listeners, the next one is thoughtful. That is THOUGHTFUL. Okay, thoughtful. The next word is think. 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 Okay, I think I know the answer. Please do not say I think I know the answer. No, 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 no. It shouldn't be that too. It should be I think I know the answer. This way you sound like a native speaker. Okay, good. Listeners, the next word is math. MATHS. Math. This is the informal way of writing
mathematics.
So please do not say mathematics. No, 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 no. Say math.
Mathematics.
Okay? Good. By the way, in American English, when they are going to write the informal form for the word
mathematics,
they write MATH without the S. In British English, we have the S. So, but the pronunciation is all the same. Math, math. Do you understand? Good listeners. Now the next word is sympathy. Sympathy is spelled SYMPATHY. Sympathy. Please do not say sympathy or sympathy, okay? Or sympathy. It is sympathy. Sympathy. Very good listeners. And the next word is verb form of the word sympathy, which is
sympathize. Sympathize.
You just say SYMPATHISE. But in American English, they change the S to ZE or ZE, okay? So you see, the next one is method. 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 Please do not say method or method. No, 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 no. You're too important to make mistakes this way. So just say method. You got it? Very good. The next word is both. 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 Okay? Yeah. And the next word is thinker. I'm a thinker. Are you a thinker too? Let's think together. Let's think a lot. Thinker. THINKER. That is thinker. Please do not say sinker. If you say sinker, then you are saying SINKER. And I think that's the thing we use to catch fish. You remember? Very good. So you should say thinker. Do not say tinker or sinker. The word TINKER is also in English, tinker. So you see, if you do not pronounce the word THINKER, thinker, if you say sinker, you are saying something else. If you say tinker, you're also saying something else. So please, I'm going to need you to say it the right way, okay? Thinker. And now listeners, the next one is bath. And this is the noun form of the verb form, beïð. Bath is spelled BATH. Bath. Some people used to say bath. Oh my God. No, 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 no. You're too important to make a mistake. Please keep listening to the native speakers or those who have mastered the language. You will learn more there is to be learned in this interesting language, English. So you say bath, BATH, bath. And the last word for today is breath. Breath, BREATH, breath. This is the noun form for the verb breathe. Breathe. And I think I already explained it earlier on. I don't have to waste our time once again. Listeners, thank you very much for being out there, determined to develop your proficiency in this language, English. Don't forget, the best way to learn any language is to keep listening to the native speakers or those who have mastered the language, okay? By the way, if this is your first time, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Phenomenal Exercise. You don't want to miss out. I assure you, if you do subscribe, we're going to make it worthwhile for you. Love you. Bye for now.